First line of defense involves physical barriers, chemical barriers, and biological barriers. The most important physical barrier is undoubtedly the skin. In the regions without skin, there will be some mechanisms like nasal hair, eyelashes, and eyelids in the case of eyes, mucous membranes, that is all throughout the gastrointestinal tract, then mucociliary clearance, urination that flushes out microorganisms constantly. In the case of chemical barrier, most importantly maintaining a low pH in areas having more chance of microbial growth like skin with an acidic pH, then gastric acid, then vagina with a pH of 4.4. Then there are many antimicrobial molecules: secretory IgA, sebum, mucus, lysozyme, lactoperoxidase, beta-defensins, pepsin, and many more. And biological barrier that is formed by the normal microbial flora that protects us from all disease-causing pathogens.